Today I am reviewing the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i Gen 10 gaming desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to high-performance gaming desktops, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i Gen 10 is built to deliver serious power, cutting-edge features, and a premium gaming experience. This is not just another pre-built PC. It's a next-generation machine designed for gamers, streamers, and creators who want top-tier performance without the hassle of building their own system. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor. This is a powerful 20-core CPU, capable of boosting up to 5.3 GHz. That means whether you're playing the latest AAA games, streaming your gameplay, or working on demanding creative tasks like video editing or 3D rendering, this processor can handle it all with ease. The performance is smooth, responsive, and incredibly fast, especially when multitasking. You can run games, Discord, streaming software, and background apps all at once without slowdowns. Now, pairing that CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, equipped with next-generation DDR5 memory. This GPU is where things really get exciting. You're looking at ultra-high frame rates, stunning visuals, and advanced features like DLSS 4, which uses AI to boost performance while maintaining incredible image quality. Games look sharper, run smoother, and feel more immersive than ever. Whether you're playing competitive esports titles or graphically demanding open-world games, this system delivers a top-tier experience. The 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz ensures everything feels lightning fast. This amount of memory is more than enough for modern gaming and heavy multitasking. You won't have to worry about running out of RAM anytime soon, even with demanding applications. Combined with a 2TB PCIe Gen4 SSD, loading times are almost non-existent. Your system boots in seconds, games launch instantly, and file transfers are incredibly quick. It's the kind of speed that once you experience it, you won't want to go back. Another standout feature of the Legion Tower 5i Gen 10 is its cooling system. High-performance components generate heat, but Lenovo has designed this system to stay cool and quiet even under heavy load. The cooling solution supports up to 180 watts, keeping temperatures under control while maintaining peak performance. Even during long gaming sessions, the system remains stable and surprisingly quiet, which is a big plus if you value a clean and distraction-free setup. Design-wise, the tower looks sleek and modern. It has a transparent side panel that lets you showcase the internal components, giving it that premium gaming aesthetic. But it's not just about looks. The tool-free design makes upgrades incredibly easy. Whether you want to add more storage or upgrade RAM in the future, you can do it without dealing with complicated setups. This makes the PC future-proof and flexible for long-term use. Connectivity is also a strong point here. With Wi-Fi 6E, you get faster and more stable wireless performance, which is great for online gaming and streaming. There's also 2.5G Ethernet for ultra-fast wired connections, ensuring minimal latency. Bluetooth 5.3 allows you to connect wireless peripherals easily, whether it's a headset, controller, or keyboard. When it comes to display support, the system includes HDMI 2.1 and multiple DisplayPort 2.1 outputs. This means you can connect high refresh rate monitors or even set up a multi-monitor gaming or productivity station. If you're serious about immersive gaming or efficient multitasking, this setup gives you all the flexibility you need. Another nice bonus is the inclusion of Windows 11 Pro and 3 months of PC Game Pass. This gives you access to a huge library of games right out of the box, so you can start playing immediately without additional purchases. Of course, a system like this is designed for serious users. It's perfect for gamers who want maximum performance, content creators who need reliable power, and anyone looking for a future-ready desktop that won't feel outdated anytime soon. While it may not be the cheapest option, the performance, features, and build quality justify the investment. So, to sum it up, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i Gen 10 is a powerhouse gaming desktop that delivers exceptional performance across the board. With a cutting-edge CPU, next-gen GPU, fast memory, massive storage, and excellent cooling, It checks all the boxes for a premium gaming experience. If you're looking for a high-end gaming PC that's ready for the future and capable of handling anything you throw at it, this is definitely one of the best options available right now.